Good morning. This is our day in Sydney. Didn't get off to a real good start because we were trying to see if Carly could go home early, but here we are which didn't work out, by the way. But here we are at the Royal Botanic Gardens, and we're about to walk around, see what we can see, flowers and birds and such like. I just went opal shopping. I did it really fast. I just found one I liked and I bought it, instead of shopping all over town, which I maybe should have done, but that's okay. And that way we get more time to look at these beautiful gardens. Here are some ibis that are walking around the grounds. This looks like a baby trying to get food from its mom, only it looks just as big as that one. Here's Charlotte walking through the beautiful gardens.
The rose garden.
This is the rose garden. There's a beautiful big tree. There's some statues. Like Michelangelo's. The structure is known as the calyx. Very pretty. Okay, Lee. We walked all around and we finally found the cockatoos. I don't know if they're going to come down and see us, but you can hear them screaming and yelling. Okay, so far I've attracted this cool looking crow, guys.
Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree. Merry, merry king of the bush is he. Laugh, Kookaburra, laugh. Kookaburra gay, your life must be.
Okay, now we went shopping in an area that's very famous called the Rocks. It's like a very ancient area, but now it's made over into restaurants and stores. But it did have Aboriginal meanings, this area. And so we found a sidewalk sale, which was really fun, with lots of little stores and booths. At this point, Carly had been feeling more and more fatigued and ill. We all agreed she should go home early, so after consulting a doctor, arrangements were made. The next morning at the airport, Carly left for home, and we continued to the Outback. This is our room in the Sails in the Desert resort or hotel in
Palia.
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 That's what we're supposed to say. There's a couple of our in-the-house visitors. They just followed us in. Outside of our room is a little pretty gardening area. And this is what it looks like from outside. This is our veranda. Okay, so now we're sitting under the sails waiting to get picked up for our camel ride. We're a little nervous, but we're doing it. Look at the desert. It doesn't look all deserty like you thought. It's full of trees and bushes.
Or individuals, it's up to you guys. We're going to go out, we're going to go for a wander on the camels, get some photos of Uluru and a sand dune with you guys up there on your camels, so bring your cameras. And then the end game is we'll take you out to the field of lights, drop you off there, and there'll be a bloke waiting with some champagne. We'll be able to give you camels a kiss and a cup, and then you'll be off to have your splendid evening at the field of lights.
Okay, here's a bunch of camels that we're not riding on yet. We're coming down here. I should have shot a picture of Charlotte getting on her camel, but here she is right in front of me. Wally.
But they're getting rid of them because they are a bit of a pest nowadays, and that's where we get our animals from. So all of these guys here have started their cameleering career as a result of being yarded up, and they were going to be destroyed. So, yeah, buddy. He's usually nowhere near a sookie when we go to get him out. He's a sookie camel.
Hey, Charla,
Yes.
look behind you.
Having an off day. Might be time for you to have a day off.
Wave at me. Hello.
Midnight at the oasis, send your camel to bed. Shadows painting our faces, traces of romance in our hands. Heaven's holding a half moon, shining just for us. Let's slip off to a sand dune real soon. Kick up a little dime.
Okay, we're off our camels. Here we
Ready up
go.
there, mate?
Okay. Yeah, can you with me?
As they come down.
If you do it with one hand, I'll tell everybody you're an absolute pro. No, don't be silly, buddy. Push down. Push down. Push down. Push down. Push down, buddy. Push down.
We'll bring you some lunch or dinner.
All right, fantastic. Good job.
That was wonderful.
Yeah, well, guys, feel
Here's a picture of Uluru. The sun is getting lower in the sky. Zoom in a little bit. Now we're at the Field of Lights canopy area. Colors getting brighter. This is a kind of grass called spinifex that makes an extremely powerful glue that were used by the Aborigines. And also there's termites out here that use it in their nests to make it like concrete, so hard. We learned that on our camel ride. So the sunset of the Catajuda. Set over Catajuda, very beautiful. Okay, now we're walking from the canopy and champagne area to where we're going to have dinner.
Oh my goodness. Okay, over there.
My name is Candice and I'll be your host.
Yay! I'll take a picture of our table. I don't think I can. Oh, maybe. I don't know. We can hear didgeridoo now. This is the moon. I don't know if it's going to come out. Oh, yeah. Sort of. My pictures aren't that great, so here's a picture from the internet so you can see what it looks like.